decided to go to Disney Springs instead of swimming, and the bus says it's coming at 7:17. My luggage hasn't come yet, so I haven't changed, but that's okay. So we have arrived at Disney Springs. We're just gonna take a walk around, and it's a fairly nice night, not too hot. So I guess we're going to Sephora first because there's no Sephora in Canada. Yeah, right. These are so cool.
Sorry.
And the strawberries? Okay.
And I'll have the creme brulee.
Okay. You want all the fruit and everything on top of everything else, guys? Alright, she's working on the creme brulee.
Oh, that's everything. Definitely is a happening place on a Friday. So I'm just sitting here quietly waiting for my son to finish shopping and enjoying a wine slushy from Wine by George. It's rosé wine with a shot of vodka. So we just got back from the Disney Springs and they're playing Frozen. And the pool is still busy. Thinking about going for a swim, but I'm not 100% sure whether that's gonna happen or not. So I switched my cameras and I got myself ready for the pool. I'm wearing my cover up. I think I'm wearing it the right way. Yeah. And I'm off to the pool.
No.
Perfect diet for swimming.
Here you go.